Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. Time now for A Ray of Hope. Here's Kian Morgan.
It's raining heavily outside the Jakes Road Community Center in Mountain View, St. Andrew. But it's not a deterrent to what Janine Towson has planned for the day. On the inside, a marching band and school supplies to assist parents in the community who are finding it difficult getting their children ready for back to school. Shanine, who is currently pursuing a master's degree in public administration in the US, says as a product of the volatile community, she knows what it's like to not have the resources needed to aid learning.
I've been in the same situation that many people in this community have been in, where sometimes your parents can't necessarily find the necessities for you to go back to school. So I thought the best thing to do would be able to give back to my community after I had achieved something, in order to give back to its individuals and to inspire more individuals to pursue education.
Students also received free haircuts. Shanine says while she got an opportunity to further her studies overseas, it was not short of challenges. She says at one point she became homeless.
I was still doing school, I was still going to work full time, and then when I got myself back up on my feet again, at another point I saw myself facing homelessness once again. But I still decided that I was going to push through. I was going to still complete my degree. I was going to still work to make sure that I achieve the goals that I've been working to achieve this whole time.
She says the ultimate aim is to change the stigma surrounding the community.
Even the other day I Googled Jakes Road, Jamaica. All I saw were news reports of war and violence and stuff like that. When I was growing up in Jakes Road, it was a time where there was a lot of conflict in the community. I remember having to hide under my bed sometimes to ensure that I missed all stray bullets and stuff like that. But at the same time, this community is where I consider home. Another reason why I wanted to ensure I had this event was that when you look or think about Jakes Road, you don't just think about the violence that's happening. You can see that good things are also happening in the community.
With A Ray of Hope, I am Kian Morgan.